For every 10% weight reduction, a vehicle gains 7% in fuel economy. Those pounds add up to save millions of gallons of fuel each year. But it takes decades to bring the latest technology to bear in the automotive industry.
The goal of the Lightweight Materials Consortium, or LightMat, is to partner national laboratories and industry to develop lightweight materials for vehicles, and to do so in half the time. LightMat is a network of 11 U.S. Department of Energy national laboratories with technical capabilities that are highly relevant to lightweight materials development and utilization. We work to match industry research needs with the expertise and equipment found only at these national laboratories.
The evaluation of the physical and chemical makeup of materials is important to understand how they will behave under certain conditions. Our characterization and imaging techniques help develop the best materials to perform and survive in the demanding automotive environment. Computational tools can predict how processing methods create specific microstructures that ultimately determine material properties. Materials development and processing must reach across scales. We start with synthesis of basic building blocks and scale all the way to full-size production of automotive components. This is important in developing cost-effective and sustainable ways to manufacture lighter and better performing materials.
LightMat exists to bridge the national lab researcher with industry to address the high-risk research that would not otherwise be possible. So no matter if you are a small supplier or a large volume manufacturer, we want to partner with you.
Contact us to learn more about how you can leverage the LightMat capabilities at lightmat.org.